Okay, so 5 minutes have gone by approximately, and I'm hoping this has dried off. Now what I'll do is just till the point that we had made the fold, I'm just folding it over again. Yeah, as you can see, just do your best what you can. Just a little bit. It's already coming off from here, so I guess it should be fine because we have this flap over it. Now what's important is that we bring these two pieces together to this point as the best you can. I mean, there's no, and don't just squish it or press it down because then you're just gonna flatten it here and it won't feed it through. So just strategically and with ease, just go ahead and do that. Yeah, and make sure that this part is down below. This is like so. Yeah, and I found that stapling it at this end works best because this is a very high traffic area, and it is actually able to take up all the load. And also don't forget to staple it down here as well, because then that's what's going to hold this paper in place with all the wear and tear. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. You really didn't need to see that on camera, but I'm just doing it. So these are the two areas. Yeah, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just move it around, squish it around, do the best you can. Yeah, okay, cool. So from here, I'll staple this later. I just want to quickly show this and end this video. It's already getting too long. This is my 2-inch strip, and we need to do a test run before we start moving everything around. So I'm doing my test run here. As you can see, I'm pulling this 2-inch strip down here, then it goes down here, and just take a little time to move this around. Yeah, and what you need to ensure is that your end product is actually, like when after the fold is quite aligned to this margin, because this is 1 inch. We purposely kept it that length because we want it to be that big. And then feed it through here as well. Yeah, and if you take an inch tape or measuring tape and you measure this will be 1 inch. I know that for sure because I just tried that offline, and it works fine, obviously. And like I said, you need to staple here. So I've also realized that stapling it post inserting the strip actually allows me to give it that give that it needs, so I'm not squishing these two flaps. Yeah, so you can see how it's a little bit elevated at this point. There's a small elevation out here. It's not squishing my stuff around. And I'm just gonna go ahead and staple it. So you can use glue, no big deal, but I would definitely say that at least this area, if you can put something in to reinforce it, because like I said, that's where all the magic happens. And then what you do is, assuming this is the iron box, a hot iron box, you just place it right here and you just pull it through. And when you pull, as you can see in my left hand, what you're getting is the strip you need. 1 inch wide bias tape, not bias tape, we're not doing a bias tape. 1 inch strip, and then you fold it. Once you get this like so, ironed, nicely ironed, mine piece is not at this moment, you just fold it over once more and just iron it, and you get perfect 1/2 inch wide strips for our masks. So that's pretty much it.